just as bad as I do. It makes me no difference, but who you give your thing to? Get your thing, I do what you wanna do. I said I can't tell you who's talking to. Get your thing, I do what you wanna do, baby.
Whether it be big problems like roots in your sewer lines or small problems like a dripping faucet, call Bears Plumbing at 281-350-2327.
Bro, first take.